So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit text font here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, go to the bottom and where there's the T here, you can either add text on a path or add text. I'll just press the add text right here, create a text box, and I will type in text font, just like that. So by default for me, I can't even spell. The text is going to look as it follows. I will make it a little bit larger so it's easier to see, just like that. Here's my text. If you want to change the text font, double tap the text right here. Go to this right side to where it says typography. Then where it says enter, that's your text font. So you can go ahead and search one up if you want, or you can scroll down and find a different font here. So if I wanted to find, I don't know, what's a good example of a text font right here? How about this one? Right there. There you go. The text font is changed. If you want to go ahead and change it again, you can change it, do what you got to do, and just change it accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text font here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.